Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that has taken the cereal storage game to a whole new level: the Rubbermaid Brilliance Airtight Cereal Storage Container. If you're tired of stale cereal and messy cupboards, this product might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's explore why this container is often hailed as the best airtight cereal storage solution on the market. At first glance, the Rubbermaid Brilliance container impresses with its sleek, modern design. Made from crystal-clear Triton plastic, this container offers 360-degree visibility of its contents. No more digging around in opaque bins to find your favorite cereal. With its transparent body, you can easily see what's inside and how much is left. It seamlessly blends into your kitchen decor, whether stored in your pantry or displayed on the countertop. But it's not just about looks. The Rubbermaid Brilliance container is packed with features designed for convenience and functionality. With a generous 32-ounce capacity, it easily fits an entire box of cereal. This means no more wasted space and the ability to store your breakfast essentials in one place. The contoured design and flip-top lid allow for one-handed pouring, making those busy mornings just a bit easier. Whether you're pouring a bowl for yourself or filling a child's bowl, this design ensures you won't spill a single flake. Durability is another standout quality of this container. It is crafted from shatterproof, BPA-free plastic, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use without the fear of breaking. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Simply toss it in the dishwasher after use, and you're good to go. One of the biggest challenges in any kitchen is maximizing space. The Rubbermaid Brilliance container is designed with this in mind. Its stackable shape allows you to efficiently utilize vertical space in your pantry, making it an excellent choice for small kitchens. You can easily store multiple containers on top of one another, keeping your pantry organized and clutter-free. Another feature that sets this container apart is its resistance to odors and stains. We've all had those containers that seem to absorb the scent of whatever they held last. The Rubbermaid Brilliance container is specially designed to resist these issues, ensuring that your cereal stays fresh and tasty. No more worrying about a lingering smell affecting your breakfast. In conclusion, the Rubbermaid Brilliance Airtight Cereal Storage Container is a game-changer for cereal lovers and anyone looking to improve their kitchen organization. With its sleek design, practical features, and space-saving capabilities, it truly earns its reputation as the best airtight cereal storage container. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who loves their breakfast, this container is a must-have. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more product critiques and kitchen tips. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy organizing!